Dear viewers and subscribers, welcome again to our YouTube channel Max the Service. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive all notifications regarding any video we are uploading on this channel. So, in this session, we will be cover how to authenticate on GitHub with SSH key and how to clone using SSH method. So, let's start. Setting up SSH. Okay, what is how to set up SSH and you can clone repository using SSH and Git. Actually, secure shell is a cryptographic network protocol that ensure the security and integrity of data transmission over the internet. In Git, SSH boosts data transmission security and represent the powerful tool for authentication and exchange data. So you must install Git even on Ubuntu, any operating system, iOS or Mac, Windows, whatever. And a remote or local Git repository you must have for that, right? And you must have an account with administrative privileges. Okay, to establish SSH connection, you must create a pair of keys. How to create a pair of keys? Just you will write. Okay, here you can see we have created a repo and also synced with the GitHub server. Now I'm going to clone with the different way, like with SSH with secure shell. And now if I choose this method, then let's see what happened. I copy it and just I'm going to git bash and let's start with cloning and I have to paste here cloning the demo and you can see that key is not known by any other names, right? Authentication actually get failed and we need to create fingerprints and we actually need to add this key, okay, which is already generated. So are you sure you want to continue? In this case, if you want to continue by adding this fingerprint, then you can just print yes. Please type yes. Okay, sorry. Permanently added GitHub to the list noun host. Okay, permission denied. Okay, so this method get failed, and now we have to create uh, as public and private keys, and then we need to add into our account so that later on we can just also do cloning with SSH. How to do this? Let me start with the writing a command which is SSH key gen minus t ed 25519 minus c, and here you will need to provide your name. Oh, sorry, you can provide your name or email so that this key can be authenticated, because this email we already used on the GitHub, and just in that way I'm going to provide. Okay. Enter file in which to save the key. If you want to save these key in a file, you can write file name, otherwise you can just enter. And you should provide any passphrase if you want. Now you have generated your key here, and then now you can proceed further by adding this key to your GitHub account. So how would you add this key to your account? First you have to check either do we have generated or not. Here you can see in the path under C user HP, and here is two files generated. So let me show you here. SSH. Okay, here you can see two files are created right now. Now we have to provide a command by which you can just, even though you can just open this file and just copy, uh, otherwise you can also use any other method to copy the command from this file. You can just cat, you can use vim, whatever option. In linux you can vim, in windows you can use cat. So there are commands we already covered. So right now I have to go to my account into settings, and I have to provide this public key so that I can access, sorry, SSH new key. Here just I can provide SSH key. Here after adding, great, you have successfully added the key SSH access, right? And now if I want to go again and just clone this directory, okay, clone. We have done with HTTPS, and right now we are going to use SSH. I have copied it, and now I will be clear and git clone. So first I have to move into directory, like right now I am in the directory of HV, and now I want to use git clone. Now yeah, I have to provide clone URL, because we have authenticated with SSH, and I believe it will allow us to clone this repository. Okay, enter passphrase which I have created. Okay, great. Now you can see here you have you must have directory with the demo, and demo. Yeah, here is. Okay, I can also show you this directory under HP. Here you can see demo. Yeah, here is, and right now we have cloned. We must also have all the code which we publish. So there are now two repositories. We can track from here. We can also track from the other path, the same demo directory in software directory. Okay. So this was just for your demonstration, and you have learned how to use SSH, how to use HTTPS, because with HTTPS I was already authenticated. It is very simple, and we have gone all three methods, how we can sync our remote repository, clone to our local system, and we have also covered creating local repository and upload that to a GitHub. So in start, most of the time when you join another organization and you're not pretty much experienced with GitHub, definitely you will be facing these kind of uh, issues. So you must understand the process of authentication, and then you can start with cloning and you can start working with Git. Okay, guys, today in this session, how to authenticate with SSH key and how to clone with SSH method we have covered, and I have demonstrated end-to-end process, all with commands and everything. I hope you will like and subscribe my channel, and also provide your valuable feedback. In another video, we will be demonstrating how to create local repo and how we can uh, how we can sync our local repo on GitHub. I mean, how we can create, let's say you create your new project on your local machine and you want to upload your local project on GitHub so that your team members can access and start working with creating different branches. So we will be demonstrating that one. Thanks for watching and be part of Max the service. And I would request again to share my channel with your in your circle. Okay, okay, bye.